Hey, this is Janun and I'm going to show you how can you download any NCERT book for free for any students for 1 to 12 or B.Ed or D.Ed students or any board students that had to read the NCERT books. Okay, open your browser in your phone, any browser. You can open it on your laptop or your PC or using mobile. Simply search here NCERT and simply click on next. Then you will see textbook PDF 1 to, if you are the student of 1 to 12, then a textbook PDF 1 to 12. Simply click on it and then select the class. I'm going to select class 10th and the subject is science and the book title is science. Okay, here you can see science, Vigyan and science in Urdu. Science is in English language, Vigyan is in Hindi language and science is in Urdu language as well. Okay, simply click on go button. Go, then you can see the list of books. Okay, you can download the whole book in a single PDF or you can download it with chapter wise. Okay, you can download its answer as well. If you want to download it a complete book, then simply click on the download complete book option. I'm clicking on it and yes, you are good to go. This file will be downloaded in zip. You have to extract using any zip folder reader or you can extract it by Google Files provided by your phone. If you like the video, hit the like button and follow me for more updates.